Hi everyone, it's Sarah from Nova Scotia. I'm going to do a fireworks today on a 12 by 16 art panel. I have it primed in black gesso. It doesn't matter if it's black or white because it's going to be thick enough to cover anyway, but just so happens I'm going to be doing this mostly black, so it actually works out. So I'm doing this on a spinner. It's just a spinner I got from Amazon, like 20 bucks. It fits perfectly on these art panels. Perfect. So I can spin it. It's not going to go flying on me. It's perfect. So I'm going to do a series of puddles, like all from the center, and then spin it out. Well, I'm going to like make lines to it first and then spin it out, but you'll see. So I'm going to start with a puddle of black. And now I'm going to put a tiny bit of black in between each layer of color. I'm using all these colors here. I'll put them in the description. I'm alternating like a dark color then a light color just to keep some contrast, and then it'll be black in between. I'm going to turn it each time as well just to make sure everything goes even. I don't want something going lopsided and all going towards one corner. I kind of want it even. So I'm just going to do a quarter turn for each time I layer a color.